Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating your session. Open a private window or a fresh browser profile so Reddit won't link activity to your regular cookies. Once done, disable any signed-in browser account and make sure syncing is off. Next, enable a privacy extension for tracker blocking. This reduces fingerprinting. You want a clean, minimal state before visiting Reddit because that prevents cross-site data from attaching to your anonymous session and keeps your browsing compartmentalized. Now load Reddit. Calm inside the private window and resist logging in. Staying logged out prevents your account from linking posts and votes. If you must interact, create a throwaway account using a separate email and minimal identifiable info, and only use it in this profile. Make sure your extension blocks third-party cookies and optional scripts to limit tracking. If a subreddit requires JavaScript for viewing, allow it selectively. Otherwise, keep default strict so you remain anonymous. To finish, simply close the private window. That clears cookies, session storage, and most temporary data instantly. Once closed, reopen a new private window and confirm Reddit appears as logged out to verify anonymity. If Reddit still links you, make sure extensions aren't leaking identifiers and clear DNS or browser cache. As a troubleshooting tip, if persistent tracking continues, enable a reputable VPN and retry the private session. This adds an IP layer of separation that often resolves stubborn linkage issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.